Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do brakes on most cars. Front brakes, especially brakes that use disc brakes and rotors. Things you may need. You would need a caliper, a brake caliper pusher, 14 millimeter. Well, most cars are 14 millimeter. A ratchet, a screwdriver, jacks, and you would need to take out your wheel for this. First thing first, and loosen your wheels. Now, before you unloosen your wheels, always when you jack your car up, always have two brakes. So when your car is on top of a jack, it won't rock, to be safe. So always that's like your support, just in case. But first thing first is to unloosen your wheels. Always unloosen up your lugs on the floor so you can have support. You would have to unscrew, since the caliper has two screws to hold the brakes. There's one up top and the one on the bottom. I would advise to always take out the bottom. The easiest way. This is the easiest way to do brakes. One on the bottom. So we're looking at this one right here. This one right here is what we need to take out, unloosen. And this use a 14 millimeter. To take it out again, loosen the bottom one. It's best to loosen the bottom one. So usually two screws that holds it, but it's best to unloosen the bottom one. Once you unloosen the bottom one, all you need to do now is push this up, as so. You see it? Then this is what you do for both sides, since you're doing both sides, but I'm only going to show you one. It's the same process for both sides. So once you've taken those two screwdrivers, those two pads out, and now the thing what you need to do is push this in. This caliper has to go in before you push before you put the new ones in, because the space, you have to build the space back into the new caliper. Since this caliper has a little bit, you have to build it into the space. So now in the next process, we would have to put this in with the O pad. It's best to do it with the O pad, so you can push it in, you squeeze it, you turn it. You could buy one of these at your nearest AutoZone, like $10, between $10, no more than $10. And you just turn this to squeeze it. Push the caliper in. All the way to the end. Once you get it all the way to the end. Okay, and this is the last step. You put the brake pads right here. I always use this side as your marker, what I would say. So you put it in. So now, make sure it's flush. The easy way to do it is to always put the top on to this brake. first. should be flush. See? So it's flush, both sides flush with the rotor, as you can see. And you put it straight down, and you put back the screw that was there. That's it. And you have done brakes. Very easy to do brakes if you know what you're doing. People put gel on them, but the new ones, I don't think it's required gel. I don't put gel on mine, so, and that is real good. Another thing too, when you put the brakes, make sure you pump the brakes before you go anywhere, and you should be okay. And you tighten back the screw, of course. So that's how you complete your brakes. As I tell you, when you do this, make sure you pump it so it could the brakes can hold the pads in to the configure side of the new pad. So before you go anywhere, after putting in the brakes, make sure you pump it till it get hard. Once you pump it till it get hard, like how you want it, and it's good for driving. Pump it, hold it, pump it, hold it, pump it, hold it, pump it, hold it, pump it, hold it. This is conclude our brake replacement. Most brakes have the same concept. So if you have any car and you want to change brake, it's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.